You're watching Republic TV. The latest we're getting you in the face of, where Mamata Banerjee chose to appear as her own lawyer in the Supreme Court. We get you the latest news where, after hearing this case, the Supreme Court has issued some directions. They've directed the West Bengal government DGP. A show cause notice has been issued to the DGP, in fact directing him, viewers, to file a personal affidavit. Remember, this hearing takes place in the top court, and one of the first times we are seeing a direction being issued to the DGP of West Bengal to file a personal affidavit. This is on directions, on allegations that ECI has said that certain officials were being crippled by threats, violence, intimidation. Therefore, the Chief Justice has now said that the DGP shall now be filing a personal affidavit before them. Let me go across to Shambhi, who's joining us live from outside the Supreme Court, keeping us ahead on the SIR hearing. Shambhi, you've been tracking this hearing. What are the slew of directions that have been passed by the Supreme Court? And pertinently, it's the DGP who will now have to file a personal affidavit before the top court.
See, definitely there are a set of directions which has been issued by the Supreme Court in this case, where one thing was made very clear, that the micro-observers, though they can be trained or untrained, they will require to go under 1 to 2 days of training by the government to make sure that they are capable of carrying out all the responsibilities that will be allotted to them. Apart from this, they will be reporting to the district electoral officers, and apart from that, they'll also make sure that they can definitely assist in the decision making, but the final decision making will rest with the EROs and the AEROs. Apart from that, there was very important point mentioned about the micro-observers, where the other party said that the elected micro-observers, they are not very qualified in this case. A lot of them, they are just craftsmen. A lot of them, they are just painters. They are not qualified to carry out the official work. But the court suggested that whoever must be appointed, or even the 8,500 people that have been allotted by the West Bengal government to the Election Commission, they must undergo a set of training. Back to you.
I just want our viewers to understand more. It's the tremors that are being caused by the violence in West Bengal that has caught the attention of the Supreme Court. We heard the Solicitor General of India speaking about it. Even the senior advocate Giri spoke about it. Now, give us details, Shambhi, about what the Supreme Court has said, what the West Bengal DGP will have to do.
Well, the DGP will have to file an affidavit. A show cause notice has also been issued to him in this case, because the Election Commission has said that while they were carrying out the groundwork, the Election Commission officers, they were threatened, they were attacked, and that is why now the DGP, the West Bengal DGP, will be personally answerable, will have to file a written affidavit, under oath, and
Go ahead, Shambhi. All right, viewers, I just want to stay with this big news that's coming in right now, and this is the tremors of violence in West Bengal have now been heard in the top court. The ECI has cited threat to officials. The Supreme Court has issued a show cause notice to the West Bengal DGP. It's clear that the violence, the intimidation to officials have now been put forward before the top court of the country. The West Bengal DGP will have to file a personal affidavit before the top court of the country. Let's put this into perspective. In the last hearing, we heard Mamata Banerjee in the courtroom. This time, the ECI in its affidavit has very clearly pointed out threats and violence that has crippled the officials, and therefore, one of the first rare times the Supreme Court issues a show cause notice to the West Bengal DGP. If I can also go across to Shambhi once again on this, because this is the big news that's coming in from the top court, that now, Shambhi, if you can give us more details. ECI's affidavit is clear. There was threat to its officials, there was violence, and that's why now the West Bengal DGP will have to file a personal affidavit, Shambhi.
See, definitely this means that the AGP, the DGP will now have to explain and answer all the claims that were made by Election Commission. There has been constant series of threats and violence that the West Bengal has witnessed in the past few days, and how the booth level officers or even the Election Commission officers were threatened. They faced violence when they were doing the groundwork. And with the Supreme Court has taken such a huge decision where they have issued a show cause notice to DGP. And now the DGP will have to come forward and answer, explain, clarify all the claims that were in the Election Commission's form. Now, this was brought up among several other arguments that were made by both the parties. Apart from this, because there was a stiff scene between both the parties regarding the allotted people. The West Bengal government kept on saying, the representative kept on saying that we have allotted 8,500 people. Why aren't you making use of them? To which the Election Commission said that we never asked you to allot those people. We never asked you to allot these. And there's a lot of sarcastic to and fro comments that were seen inside the court today as well, where they said, where the West Bengal government said that if the Election Commission wants 8,000 SDMs, they should have around 8,000 districts in the West Bengal. So such kind of sarcastic to and fro was seen in the court today. Apart from, again, the breaking news, of course, that the DGP, the West Bengal DGP, will now be answerable, will now have to explain, will now have to clarify the claims which were made by Election Commission. Back to you.
All right, thank you for giving us those details, because it's a top focus. We're also going to get more details on the story. It's a big news that the DGP will have to file a personal affidavit. Viewers are